Winter comes alive in life's moments. Moments with family and with friends. Small moments and big ones. A blanket of snow. A blank canvas to paint the stories of our lives. Stories to share around the bonfire at the end of the day, or to rekindle the flame years from now. There's perfection in all of these moments. Thank you for letting us be part of yours.
Hi, I'm Jared Smith, manager of the North American Snowmobile Division for Yamaha. And this is Delaney Brogan, Snowmobile Marketing Coordinator.
We are stoked to walk you through Yamaha's 2024 snowmobile lineup and some of the exciting new technology. For those watching on our socials, pop your questions below, and over the next couple of days, we will do our best to answer them.
Otherwise, sit back, relax, and enjoy your first look at the 2024 Yamaha Snowmobiles lineup.
Yamaha's 2024 limited edition snowmobiles offer upgraded specifications and color packages. The LE lineup was developed to cover all main points of what people are looking for in a Sidewinder: speed, comfort, and reliability. For 2024, Yamaha will carry 6 LE snowmobiles, including 3 Sidewinder variations: the LTX LE EPS, XTX LE, and of course, the legendary SRX LE EPS. Sitting up a little higher in the altitude, we have the 4 mountain models for handling the deep powder: Max 800 LE 165, plus a pair of 154 variations, as well as the Venom mountain. Remember, these snowmobiles are only available if you place a deposit during Spring Power Surge, which is always the best deal of the year. Here's a little more insight on each model. The SRX LE EPS and its supersonic Genesis 998 turbo with electric power steering makes it an unstoppable beast. Yamaha's patented single keel strike skis allow for customized shim setup and a refined handling when you're going full out across the lake. With a unique 1-inch lug Camso track and lowered Fox IQS suspension, the SRX LE EPS is one of the sleekest and fastest rides on snow. The 2024 Sidewinder LTX LE EPS is a premium snowmobile with a heated seat, 20-inch tunnel bag, and a lightweight brake disc to complement the incredibly engineered Genesis 998 turbo 4-stroke engine. A Camso Ripsaw 2-track with 1.25-inch lug puts all the power to the snow, and electric power steering makes the ride even smoother. It's easy to see why Yamaha's Sidewinder LTX LE isn't just at the top of its class, it's the teacher. The Sidewinder XTX LE is the best of both worlds. A 146-inch uncoupled rear skid housed by a Camso Cobra track with 1.6-inch lug offers a little extra flexibility and depth when you see a perfect line through the powder. Add in features like premium Fox 1.50 IQS suspension, a 42-inch front stance, and Yamaha's Strike single keel skis, and you have a snowmobile that will get you out to play in the powder and a great ride on the trail home. The 2024 Sidewinder XTX LE comes in the extremely popular Team Yamaha blue colorway and is set up for the most powerful production engine in the business, the Genesis 998 Turbo. The Mountain Max 800 returns for 2024 in an attention-getting Team Yamaha blue and 3 different packages, plus the Venom mountain, Yamaha's 400 series mountain machine. If serious deep snow and slaying the slopes are on your list of things to do this weekend, the 165 track with 3-inch lug offers you the perfect machine. With its large footprint, you'll be floating along with ease. If winding your way through trees is your jam, then look at the Mountain Max LE 154 with the convenience of electric start and a little less lug for some trail capability. This beast is perfectly balanced for any alpine adventure. If you play in all areas of the steep and deep backcountry, Yamaha's Mountain Max 154 SL, or Superlight, is the sled for you. No electric start, a shorter seat, and a smaller gas tank prioritize lightweight and lots of traction with the 3-inch lug. All Mountain Max models come with the Fox QS3 front center and rear lockout shocks, potent 794cc 2-stroke engine, and single beam rear skid. The Venom mountain offers new riders a chance to enjoy the altitude. The compact 397cc 2-stroke engine makes it a little easier to head up to the peaks for the first time. When you want to be surrounded by powder and looking over the rest of the world, look no further than the Mountain Series.
Yamaha's GT series is aimed at the high mileage, long haul, all day riders that want the highest level of comfort.
With a powerful and reliable 4-stroke Genesis 998 turbo and electric power steering, the extremely luxurious GT series does just that.
Let's take a deep dive into the luxury world of Yamaha's GT lineup.
The SR Viper is a proven, reliable performer in the 125 horsepower class. Extremely fuel efficient, clean and reliable, engineered for the long run. The naturally aspirated 1049cc engine delivers plenty of torque for right there throttle response. Power delivery is silky smooth and rider ergonomics are state-of-the-art and jam-packed full of features to keep you warm on your long-haul rides. The SR Viper is back and ready to get you out on the snow for as many miles as you want. What's similar to sinking into the comfiest lazy boy you've ever laid eyes on? The 2024 Sidewinder LTX GT EPS. A heated seat, tall windshield, 20-inch tunnel bag, upgraded suspension, and electric power steering. There's no feature this sled doesn't have, including Yamaha's renowned 998 turbo 4-stroke engine. Offering a buttery smooth ride, Yamaha's EPS system also makes sure you feel as ready to ride at the end of the day as you did at the start. Yamaha's Sidewinder STX GT EPS takes two-up machines to another level. The longer the trip, the better. With premium suspension and electric power steering, you'll never want the ride to end. Add in features specific to the STX, like a two-piece heated seat, auxiliary fuel tank, hard storage case, multiple RCA DC outlets, and front and rear adjustable hand warmers, and you have the slickest and fastest two-up on snow. The Sidewinder STX GT EPS, getting you and your passenger through the whole loop in first-class style.
I've been a passenger more than a few times, and I can tell you from experience that the STX makes you feel like you're riding on a cloud.
And as someone who has spent a fair amount of time behind the bars, EPS has been a lifesaver on longer rides and is my go-to for any long-distance touring. Next, we have our SE or Special Edition lineup.
All these models are available in season, although they don't feature the same suspension upgrades or storage options as the GT or LE models might, but they do offer a fantastic package for the aggressive rider out there.
There are only two SE models this year, the Sidewinder LTX SE and XTX SE. Both come in a head-turning new color and graphics package. Let's take a closer look now.
The Sidewinder LTX SE has all the trail performance and capabilities found in our LE models, but at a lower price point. The ARC's front suspension, with Fox RC adjustable shocks, leads the charge with longer, lightweight forged spindles and optimized geometry. Mix it together with the legendary Yamaha 998 turbo 4-stroke engine, and you have the perfect machine to make your own. The Sidewinder XTX SE is the more off-trail friendly of Yamaha's two XTX options. A Camso 146-inch track with 2-inch lug, mountain skis, uncoupled skid, and 40-inch stance combined to give riders off-trail flexibility for some serious exploring. Fox Zero QS3 front and rear shocks complement the pulse-pounding Yamaha Genesis 998 Turbo, offering true performance for any conditions. The XTX SE is power-packed and ready for fun.
Yamaha's 400 series was a great addition to the lineup. They give new, returning, and younger riders a sled that's capable of growing with them.
These snowmobiles make sure riders can step up with Yamaha as they gain experience, confidence, as well as skill. That is to say, we're following the successful recipe from our other product groups, having the right Yamaha for every member of the family every step of the way. With 3/4 sizing, lightweight, and a snappy 2-stroke engine, roomy ergonomics, the 400 series ensure new and experienced riders alike can have a great time on snow.
Yamaha's XS Venom is a lightweight snowmobile that was built for the young, new, or returning riders to enjoy, though it seems everyone loves grabbing it for a quick rip. The fuel-injected, electric start 2-stroke 397cc single-cylinder engine is propelled by a 121-inch Camso hacksaw track, long-travel dual-shock rear suspension, lightweight alloy chassis, strike single-keel skis, and racy styling combine to create a compact sled that glows with excitement. The Venom is the perfect sled to have in the garage for the whole family to go for a ride. Looking for something that can do it all? The Yamaha Transporter Lite is the affordable and maneuverable two-stroke you can count on to help you check off the chores on the list, but also have some fun in the snow afterwards. Equipped with mountain skis, 146 Camso Cobra track with 1.6-inch lug, rugged rear rack, and fuel-injected, electric start 397cc two-stroke. Convenient, practical fun. The Transporter Lite's smaller size and lightweight make it ideal for almost any situation. Ready to tackle cottage chores? Or just get out for a fun trail ride? The Transporter Lite 2-Up has you and your passenger. This sled offers many of the features of a full touring model, but at a fraction of the cost and weight. A compact two-stroke single-cylinder engine combines with a long 146-inch track to excel in soft snow and bridge rough trail bumps for a more comfortable ride. The value and performance of the Transporter Lite 2-Up is hard to beat. Count on Yamaha's Transporter 800 to get the job done, and still have time to play. At the heart of this maneuverable utility sled is a two-stroke 794cc engine with backup recoil starting. The Transporter 800 is built to venture far from home with purposeful features like rugged storage rack, sturdy tow hitch, long-range fuel capacity, and functional protection from the elements. It has what you need for long days in the cold.
That 400 series promises to bring a lot of new riders into the Yamaha family. These are the types of snowmobiles that built the industry.
As it was my first year on snow with Yamaha in 2023, I got the opportunity to ride the Venom a lot. And coming from a dirt bike background, it honestly just felt like riding a Mint 125, but quite a bit colder than I was used to.
Taking a look at the Venom's younger siblings, the Snow Scoot and the SRX 120, created from a desire to provide customers with safe and fun place to start their journey with Yamaha, just like ATVs and off-road motorcycles.
The electric starting 200cc class Snow Scoot is the perfect snowmobile for growing riders. Front and rear suspension offer 4.5 inches of travel. Other kid-friendly features like hand warmers and throttle override ensure your little ripper has everything they need to put down plenty of miles on a safe and capable snowmobile that will last for years. Yamaha's SRX 120 is the introduction to snowmobiles for kids. The 123cc Yamaha engine is just the right size to ensure a positive first experience, and many after. A number of safety controls ensure both riders and parents feel secure. Put away the tablets and connect your kids with the outdoors.
And with that, we wrap up our 2024 Yamaha Snowmobiles full-line video.
We're excited to share these machines with you and are looking forward to seeing you on snow in the 2024 season.